Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Zoosk account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to access your Zoosk on your web browser or can be on your app. Once you have done that, simply go ahead, tap on the settings icon and choose this option called account just given on top. Then it will simply access the information regarding your account, including name, language, email, password, and you in the bottom section you will find this option called account status. Simply go ahead, tap on this deactivate option given just right over there, and now you have to choose a reason why you're quitting, and then you can simply go ahead, choose whatever feels right to you, whatever is the reason apparently, and tap on this continue afterwards given below. And now it will simply show you this notification. You can see account deactivated, you have successfully deactivated profile and will no longer appear on Zoosk. Done. So basically deactivating is the deleting account feature for Zoosk itself. There is no purposely just a delete account option. It will, just have to deactivate account, and that way you will be, just don't reactivate for a while and it will be gone. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.